Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Shimmers and Polishes. If you are new here, I create eye makeup, nail art, crocheting and DIY videos. Please do take a moment and hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it for notification. I upload every Wednesdays and Sundays guys. So in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you another holiday glam eye makeup look perfect for the Christmas or the New Year's with 4 different eyeliner looks. So if you are interested, then please keep on watching. So this look has a base of a smoky eye, so I'm going to use this Lakme Eyeconic KAJAL in shade black and I'm going to apply a thick liner. You need not be perfect here because we are going to blend that all out. So apply a good thick liner with the help of any KAJAL of your choice. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to use a small bullet brush and I'm going to blend that all well till I'm happy with the way it looks, because we just need a good base for that smokiness. For the next shade, I'm going to use Morphe into Jaclyn Hill palette and the shade called Cran Apple. It's a beautiful, gorgeous metallic shade. I have used some setting spray on my brush and I'm applying it all over my lid. Once I'm done with that, for my crease, I'm going to use the shade called Butter from the same palette and I'm going to buff that in place and all over my crease so that there's a beautiful warmth in my crease. So the next shade, I'm going to use this shade called JACZ from the same palette with a small blending brush and I'm going to apply that in my socket area because I want a beautiful transition of maroon to brown. So I'm blending that well. I'm going to use a clean blending brush and I'm going to blend that all colors so that it looks seamless and well blended. And I'm going to reapply that Cran Apple shade all over my lids once again. Now for my under eye dark circles, I'm going to use this custom mix salmon shade. I have used NYX light concealer and Elegance orange concealer, mixed that and created a salmon shade. I'll blend that well and apply some translucent powder. And for my brows, I'm going to use Sugar's Brow Definer in the shade Cherry Brown and I'm going to fill in the sparse areas of my brows. Now for my under eye highlight, I'm going to use Elegance Pro Conceal in the shade Medium Beige and I'm going to blend that well and set that with some translucent powder. I'm going to use Maybelline Gigi Hadid's Kohl liner on my upper and lower waterline. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to smoke out my lower waterline with the shade called JACZ first and then the shade called Butter. I'm going to blend that well. Now for my brow bone highlight, I'm going to use Mary's Luminizer by the Balm Cosmetics and I'm going to use the same shade on my inner corner as well. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to curl my lashes and I'm going to apply a good coat of mascara. If you want, you can go ahead and add falsies right now. So for the first look, it's a simple smoky eye with no eyeliner look. It looks really beautiful if you don't know how to create liners. So this is the look for you guys. And for the second look, I'm going to use Inglot Gel Liner in the shade number 77 and I'm going to apply it close to my lash line as possible, or slightly thicker you can say, and that will be my second look with the smoky eye. So here it is, look number 2, smoky eyes, cranberry smoky eyes with simple liner. And now for the third eye makeup look, I'm going to just wing it out. So I'm going to create a nice sharp wing and that will be look number 3. So look number 3 is cranberry smoky eyes with a winged liner. And for my fourth and final eye makeup look, I'm just going to create a graphic liner. So I'll take the end of that winged liner and I'm going to draw a line upwards towards my crease and I'm going to get it till the center of my eyelid. And this, you guys, is look number 4. guys, this is it. Cranberry Smoky eyes with no liner look, with a simple liner look number 2, and look number 3 with a winged liner, and look number 4 with graphic liner. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channel Shimmers and Polishes, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook as well. There are many more videos on my channel, and this holiday season, guys, do subscribe to my channel. Take care. Happy holidays.